Hello students, this screencast is going to walk you through the process for getting your student Zoom account secure and aligned and associated with your Clark County email address. Over the last week, we've had an increase in the number of times that we've had outside participants join our Zooms, and in some cases, outside participants have gotten access to our Zoom classrooms and come in and used inappropriate and racist language as well as presented inappropriate images. And so while we were hoping not to have to take this step to secure our Zoom accounts, because it is going to make it just a little bit harder for you to get into your classes, we do feel like at this point we need to move forward. So the important things for you to know is that we are going to be turning on authentication within our Clark Middle Zoom accounts probably Thursday. That means that in order for you to access your Zoom classes, you have to associate your Zoom account with your Clark County email account. Now, will you be able to have your own Zoom account that's completely separate from Clark Middle? Yeah, probably. That's completely up to you and not something that we're going to manage. But what it says here in the yellow is that once we have associated your Clark County email address with your Zoom account, that's the Zoom account that you are going to have to use to enter any of your classrooms. If you are using a personal Zoom account or a Zoom account associated with any other email other than your Clark Middle email, it's not going to let you into your classes. Now, we're going to walk you through that in this video, and it's also going to be walked through with your teachers as part of your class today. At any point, if you do have trouble getting into your Zoom account, you can email your teacher so that they can count you present and help you get logged in. We're also going to set up some help desks where Ms. Hinger and some other members of our administrative team will be available to help the first few days that we're doing this. It's actually a really easy process. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to zoom.us/sign-in. That's going to show you this sign-in page that's over here on the right-hand side. I'll show you it live in just a second. You're not going to enter anything up here at the top. You're going to go down here where the green arrow is pointing to where it says sign in with Google. You're going to click sign in with Google. At that point, it's going to ask you for your Clark County login. You're going to enter your email address and your Clark County password, and you're going to click sign in. And at that point, that is all you have to do. You're going to be set up to go straight to Zoom using your Clark County associated Zoom account. Now, to show you what that looks like, I'm going to open up an incognito window. I'm going to go to zoom.us, and I want to go to sign in. Again, you're going to skip this part up at the front, and you're going to come right down here to the bottom where it says sign in with Google. My email address is right there. I'm going to click next, and then I am just going to type in my Clark County email address and password, and it is going to get me all logged in through my Clark County Zoom account. And there it is. Now, for some of you, if you created your Zoom account well before we turned on Zoom for our school, you may have a little bit harder of a time doing that. If that is the case for you, there are some other ways that you can access your email or access your Clark County Zoom account. In this presentation, there's another video down here at the bottom. This is a different teacher explaining the process. You can watch this video. That will show you if that first process doesn't work, it'll show you a second process that you can use to get your Zoom account associated with your CCSD email. So again, we're doing this to try to ensure that we've got some additional security in our Zoom accounts, that your classes don't get Zoom bombed, that you don't have any inappropriate people joining your Zoom classes, and we'd appreciate if you would do this just as soon as you can so that we can turn on this security feature for our school. Thanks.